What's up guys, today we have another Thrifty unboxing video, although I have to confess this is not technically an unboxing video because I did already open them and I forgot to film it, but just for you, just for dramatic effect, I've put them back in the box so I will now open them. So these are the Strange Cult beetle shoes. I don't think they're on the website anymore, but I checked, they've still got the Lydia shoes, and I believe they are about $100, and I got these for £25 off Depop, brand new as well, so fantastic bargain. So here they are. Dramatic effect. Oh, and they also came with black laces, but I swapped them out for purple because I think it looks better. They look really nice. I have already tried them on as well. They are the comfiest shoes I've probably one of the comfiest pairs of shoes I've ever tried on. The sole is just so cushiony, it's so comfy to walk in. Yes, I really like them. Yeah, I'll put a clip in as well of me walking around in them at the end of the video. So yeah, really good condition. Like I said, they're brand new, £25 is just amazing. So yeah, just a short little video for you, just to show you what I got. Buy second hand, it's better for the environment and for your wallet, definitely. So here they are up close. Really gorgeous shoes. Been wanting these for quite a while actually, so yeah, it was really nice that I just happened to find them. Do you like them, Daisy? She says yes. Okay, that's it for the video. Thanks, see you in the next one.